These ultra-thin olive and rosemary crackers are about to become your new snacking obsession. Think Mediterranean vacation meets that satisfying shatter crisp crunch. We're keeping it wholesome, starting with a base of chickpea flour, chia seeds, and flaxseed flour. Fold in some olives, rosemary, salt, and a good drizzle of olive oil. The trick is in the spread. Flatten the batter into one large rectangle as thin as possible. The thinner it is, the louder the crunch. Bake until golden. They are savory, salty, and perfect with a dip or a glass of wine.